Gosh! School is very exhausting for both of us.
I agree, man. I do not know what to do for fun. School's such a boring hell place. I wish there's a huge way to spice everything up.
Hey real dinosaur boy Blam. See this fire alarm on this wall? How about we pull it down as a hilarious prank?
Hey, that's an awesome idea, DLCTAJ. Let's pull it down together.
May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in the building. While this is being verified, please leave the building by the nearest exit or exit stairway. Do not use the elevators.
Yeah! We pull down the fire alarm!
Oh yeah, fire alarms rock, baby!
Oh! It's our classmates, our teacher, and the principal.
I believe we're busted now.
Dark Oyster Charlie the Anteater Jr. and real Dinosaur boy Blam. How dare you two pull down the fire alarm? You do realize that they're only used for real emergencies, not for silly tomfoolery. That's it. You're both suspended for 2 weeks.
Now you two march home straight away while we call both of your parents.
Hello. Parents. Your sons just pulled down the fire alarm as a naughty prank at school and I've suspended them both for 2 weeks. Can you ground them please? Okay. Thanks. Goodbye.
Dark Oyster Charlie the Anteater Jr. How dare you pull down the fire alarm at school along with real Dinosaur boy Blam and got a 2-week suspension? Fire alarms are only used for serious fire emergencies, not for fun and games.
That's it. You're grounded for 2 weeks.
Go upstairs to your room right this moment.
Real Dinosaur boy Blam. We cannot believe you and Dark Oyster Charlie the Anteater Jr. pulled down the fire alarm at school today and got suspended for 2 weeks. When are you gonna learn not to use serious emergency stuff as toys? That is it. You're grounded until your suspension is up.
Now head your dino butt up to your bedroom and don't come out until supper time.
Wow.